Hi everyone, my name is Ozioma. You can call me Zima, or you can also call me the Cyber Queen or the Cybersecurity Queen in the making. Yeah, you heard me right. Okay, please permit me to give a little bit of background about myself. I am an audit manager with one of the big 4 firms here in Nigeria. I have about 8+ years experience in external audit. I have a bachelor's degree in economics, HND in statistics, and professional certification with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, and those are all the certification I have. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to experience the life of an auditor, the audit life, the audit cycle, the peak periods, the workload, and I will tell you for a fact it's been a wonderful experience, and as well as experience that comes with a lot of stress, a lot of demands, and a lot of workloads. And over the years, I've as an external auditor, I've had the opportunity to work with different organizations, but I'll tell you for a fact that being an external auditor comes with a lot of price. You have to sacrifice a lot of things, your time with your family, your own personal time with yourself, and also so many things are at stake. Your health is at stake, your progression, your life, everything totally is at stake while being an external auditor. And I've thought about it, and I've come to realize that I might not be able to continue in this path. I might need to transition into something else that will give me more time for me to spend with my family, with my loved ones, and also that will also give me the opportunity to do other things I would want and appreciate to do. And that thought has actually brought me to the point where I've made researches about other possible things I can actually do from being an external auditor. And one of the things that has resonated with me so far is transitioning into the tech space, and specifically becoming an expert in cybersecurity. Yes, I actually want to transition into the cyber space, right? But I don't have any experience. That's why I gave you my background from the very beginning of this video. I don't have any background in the tech space, right? But I want to transition, and that's why I'm actually putting out this video right here, so that I want the support from the community on here, support from experts in the cybersecurity world, and also to also use this opportunity to hold myself accountable. Like I mentioned, the kind of work I do is actually very stressful, and you don't have time to do any other thing aside the work that you are expected to do, and also being able to turn in your deliverables. So I want to use this opportunity to hold myself accountable, and to be able to report to the community here on how I progress through this journey. Because if I have someone who holds me accountable, I would make sure that actually, from the very tight schedule that I have, I will make sure that I squeeze out time to be able to take on trainings, take on certifications, and also take on be able to build my skills and acquire all the knowledge that I need to be able to transition into cybersecurity. So that's why I'm taking this opportunity to reach out to everyone here. If you are into cybersecurity and you know the best courses I can take, right, at this time, how I can start, introductory course I can take that can progress into becoming an expert in cybersecurity, please, I will appreciate that you drop them in the comment section, just to help me and support me. And as I progress through this journey, right, I would come on here at least on a weekly basis to share my experience with you, what I have done, the courses I have taken, the certification I have taken, the skills I've been able to acquire, all of this the process I'm going to get myself involved in this journey. I'll be sharing with you here on this channel, right, so that you see how I progress or how I transition into the cybersecurity space. And I also want to use this opportunity, right, because I know we've always been told that whatever you put your mind to, you'll be able to do it. I also want to use this opportunity to actually make a statement that we have the privilege and opportunity to reinvent ourselves. As long as we put our mind to that thing, we'll be able to achieve it. So I want to also use this opportunity to tell the younger generation that yes, if you actually put your mind to something, you can achieve it. All right. And also I also want to also use the opportunity to also encourage others that it does not matter your age, it does not matter how far you have gone in a particular sector. If you actually want to have a change, if you want to move into something different, you don't need to hold yourself back. All you need to do really is to find opportunities, take up new skills, take up new certification, take up trainings, pursue that dream that you have, right? Pursue that dream. If where you are currently, you are not satisfied or you want something different, don't hold yourself back, right? I want to use this opportunity to say no one should be boxed into a particular place and say, okay, there is no opportunity for you to move into something different or to move from one particular career into another career. So this is an opportunity for me to tell the rest of the world or everyone who is in actually this particular phase I am in right now, that you can actually transition from one thing to the other and still achieve or meet your goals and achieve those dreams that you have set yourself. So do not limit yourself. Limitation, they say, is actually in the mind. You are the person limiting yourself. You shouldn't limit yourself. Try and do something different. If you feel what you're doing currently, it's not giving the satisfaction that you deserve or you want to see, or you are not realizing your dreams as you've always wanted, you can actually take a pause, right? Make researches on how you'll be able to achieve your dreams. Just take a step backward, refine your goals, right? Refine your goals and how best you can achieve them. So this is me setting a goal for myself that yes, my dream is to become an expert in cybersecurity, and I'm also using this opportunity to plead for the support of every cybersecurity expert in this community. If you know the courses I can take, if you know the certifications I can take, right? If you know the skills, how I can go about this journey, please, I will appreciate that you drop it in the comment section. It's really going a long way to support me in achieving this dream. And also in the long term, what I also intend to do from this journey is also to use this opportunity to not just be able to achieve my dream, but also use this opportunity to train other women or youth, other younger generations who might be interested in moving into cybersecurity. So all of the skills, the knowledge I'll be acquiring from this journey, right, I'll also use it as a means to teach other younger generations, right, to teach them how you can transition into the cybersecurity space and achieve your dream. So I appreciate every one of you to being with me up to this point in this video. Please do like my video, encourage me, right? Drop comments for me. I need your support. I need that support from you, please. And I'll continue to share my journey with you as we progress. All of the courses I'll be taking, I'll be making research, but right now I don't even know where to start from. But I'll be doing a lot of research, and all of those researches I'll be coming back to tell you what I have come up with from my researches, and also the courses I'll be taking, the certifications I'll be taking, and also be sharing with you at the point where I'll be landing my first job or internship or placement. I'll also be sharing it in this community. So I appreciate your support. Please come with me on this journey as I pursue this goal and I see it come to pass. Thank you very much for staying with me to this very point. All right, see you next time in my next video, where I'll be telling you the research I have done, and also the next step in me achieving this goal, and also the certifications and the skills I'll be taking. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.